So Asus has just yanked back the curtain on its fresh all-new gaming handset for 2019, the ROG Phone 2, and I stumbled my way to the other side of the world for a preview of this super beefy device. I've shot a full, very extensive hands-on review of the ROG Phone 2 and all of its various features, so go check that out for all you need to know about this absolute unit. But alongside the new mobile, Asus has also revealed a barrel full of bonus accessories that you can buy for the ROG 2 as well. Many of these help to boost the gaming experience and really help to set the handset apart from rivals, so they're definitely well worth checking out. I went hands-on with every single one of these gaming accessories at the official ROG Phone 2 launch preview, and here is my early impressions of the full set. And for more on the latest and greatest mobile tech, please do subscribe and ding that notifications bell. Cheers! First up is the Aero case, and yeah, it's basically just a wholly plastic cover, but those gaps do leave the aura lights exposed so you can enjoy the light show while still protecting every edge of the ROG Phone 2, so that's nice. The Aero case can be used in conjunction with the new AeroActive Cooler 2 accessory, which helps to get rid of all of that pesky hot air that's churned out by the ROG Phone 2's rear vent. This all-new AeroActive is 4 times quieter than the first version and keeps the phone cooler than the original as well. This accessory doesn't just blow hot air though, it also moves the phone's charging port to the edge alongside a secondary 3.5mm headphone jack. These make for easy access when you're gaming, definitely great news if you urgently need more juice but you don't want to put down the PUBG. If you don't fancy the Aero case, Asus is offering an alternative option as well, the ROG Phone 2 Lightning Armor case. This thing is a bit more substantial and it also has built-in NFC, which then applies special wallpaper and theming when it detects that the cover is connected. And with a bit of technical trickery using that second camera LED flash, you'll also get a nice light-up logo on the back of the Lightning Armor case as well, which looks very snazzy indeed. Next up is the TwinView Dock 2, which adds a second screen to the ROG Phone 2 in case one just isn't enough. Compared with the original TwinView Dock, this new effort is a bit lighter and the weight allocation has been improved. Of course, the new ROG Phone is already rather hefty at 240 grams, so this combo definitely does pack a weighty punch. But it is still surprisingly comfortable to clutch thanks to that redesign. The TwinView Dock 2 is powered by its very own 5000 mAh battery, so you'll get hours and hours of use per charge, and that secondary touch panel supports 120Hz refresh rates just like the main ROG screen. A few games will support that dual screen setup for gameplay, otherwise you can use the other display for chat apps or streaming a YouTube walkthrough, or maybe just enjoying a bit of TechSpurt while you're getting your PUBG on, eh? And this next gizmo is one of the best accessories for the ROG Phone 2, at least that's what I reckon, and it's definitely an essential purchase for fans of the aforementioned online shooting game. This here is the ROG Kunai Gamepad, which allows you to ditch those fluffy touch controls and use physical buttons and thumbsticks instead, like a proper man. Or woman, if you're a lady. The gamepad actually consists of 2 separate controller sticks, which look quite similar to the Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons, but with even more trigger action. These can be used separately over Bluetooth or physically connected to the ROG Kunai Gamepad for a more comfortable experience, and this seems to work just fine in my testing with no noticeable latency. Alternatively, my favourite option is actually just slipping the controllers directly onto the ROG Phone 2 using the ROG Kunai bumper. This cuts out the need for Bluetooth entirely as the bumper slides onto the phone's USB port and gives the ROG Phone 2 even more of a Nintendo Switch vibe. You can even use the TwinView Dock 2 in this mode if you like for absolute overkill. Slightly less essential, but still very cool, is the WeGig Display Dock Plus, which allows you to stream your gaming session direct from your ROG Phone to your telly for a home console style experience. This streaming happens over a 802.11ad 60GHz network for near zero latency, and resolutions of up to 2560 by 1080 are supported. And if you're more of a PC gamer, then the Asus Mobile Desktop Dock can connect the blower to a 4K monitor, mouse and keyboard all at the same time, complete with gigabit LAN setup as well. In my brief hands-on session, it took some getting used to PUBG Mobile with a mouse and a keyboard, especially with that mouse sensitivity basically off the charts, but that's hopefully something that you can scale down to suit your own playing style. Deep breath. So that's all of the ROG Phone 2 accessories that were revealed on launch day at least, and we won't be surprised if even more units come out before the end of 2019. Quite a lot to carry about if you're heading off in your holes and you want to take the full rig with you, and that's why I'm hoping that Asus brings this handy suitcase bundle to Europe when the phone launches here in September. For all you could possibly need to know about all of the ROG Phone 2 specs, features and all those other bits, go check out my hands-on review. It's rather in-depth, does take a little while, so maybe do it on your lunch break or something like that. And are you tempted by the ROG Phone 2? Definitely let us know in the comments down below. Certainly seems to be one of the best gaming smartphones of all time, just for my hands-on play so far. And for more on the latest greatest mobile tech, please do subscribe and ding that notifications bell. Cheers!